Hallo. I have a package and I'm so sorry. My husband just started the car. It's loud. It's raining and I have an open window. The rain is already loud, but now he's working on his car. Oh my goodness. Maybe I pause. Yay, he's driving away. Go, go, go. Okay, bye. Okay, I think the rain is loud enough. Let me adjust this. Can I adjust this? No, I can't. Okay, so I got something in the mail and I think it's from Treesa. And I want to show you something without showing you the address or whatever. I still had to pay something. It's not the full amount, but it's something. I don't get it, but I'm thankful. I don't get this system. All right. I have no idea what is this? This is a nice. Are you kidding me? Wait, what? It's from the Witch's Moon. Did you send me this box? What? Are you kidding me? No. Oh, okay. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Oh. Okay, calm down. Let's open this. Oh, this is such a pretty box. Okay, from my heavy breathing, I'm so dizzy now. I'm so sorry. Wow. Okay. I think I need a sip of my coffee. Or maybe not. My heart is racing. Whew. Oh, what? The animal guide. Oh my goodness. I think I have to read this later, right? It's the spoiler sheet. Oh. Frog, prosperity. Let go of the past and embrace change. Opportunities are close at hand. Hop into this new day with joy. Abundance and good fortune await you. Oh, these are big cards. Oh. I am overwhelmed. What? Oh my goodness. I love this. Animal guides of air, of water, of fire, and of earth. Let's see, of fire. Animals of fire. Okay, there are no animals specifically, but with, okay, yeah. Sorry, I'm lost of words. Wow. Okay, so I have now an original artwork from the Witch's Moon. And I will have this without the plastic because I think there's a glare. Ah, okay, so this is so thin and this is, okay. Astragalus root. What is this? Astragalus. Okay, I can't Google right now because I'm in my bedroom and have all my other devices downstairs. I think I know what this is. Okay, let's go on. Let's Okay. What is the first thing? It's a stone. And it's a pretty stone. I have no idea what stone this might be. Oh, I'm out of frame. Sorry, I can't see. No idea. It's gray and has reddish, pinkish spots. We will see. And it's heavy. For this tiny stone, it's heavy. Another stone. Okay. Okay, another stone. And I like this color. It's natural. It's a brownish beige. Some kind of jasper. A candle. And oh, I think it is a little bit melted together. And yeah, I mean, I can see it's a darker color, like dark green or dark blue or something dark. Oh, no, purple. I'm not good at this game. Now it's really firm. Oh, I like the smell. I have these as oh, I'm lost. You know what I mean, as a big sheet, and I can roll them myself. I have them in different colors, but I haven't used them in a while. And here we go. Now I have to be careful because it's really stiff, then not to break it. And you can put stuff in it, herbs, or yeah, whatever you like. Okay. Oh yes, and now I remember. Silver Soul Fox unboxed this. No, this is what I remember. I mean, I remembered the theme somehow. Yeah, but I looked this up. Cool. The blackbird. Am I in frame? Yes, I am. New beginning. Magic, nature, initiation, ancient secrets, mysticism. The blackbird was one of the 5 oldest creatures of Celtic lore. Yeah, that's true. And Celtic tradition tells how the blackbird led the way into the journey of initiation, as well as heralding spring. Its enchanting song was said to be a means of traveling to the underworld to access the hidden secrets of the goddess. Its beak was said to be yellow because it had dipped it in the treasure of the underworld. But it's only the male one. The female one is brownish, and the beak is also brown. Associated with the blacksmith, who has a reputation as a magician who hammers out the work of creation, the blackbird was also a common familiar of witches and druids. As your totem, blackbird inspires you to spend a lot of time outside, sitting quietly beneath a canopy of trees or by water. This helps you with new ideas and enhances your creativity. Yes, this is what I'm already doing, sitting outside. Which you may find is often best expressed in late spring or summer. No, I create all year round. You are comfortable being alone? Yes. And are fiercely protective of your space and your family? Yes. Do not ring on my door when I don't know you want to visit me. Yes, I'm that weird. If blackbird has caught your attention in a special way, you are being called upon to make a journey to the underworld and to the womb of the goddess as the first part of a new direction in your life. Spend time outdoors, listening to the beautiful song of the blackbird, as it can carry you between the realms. New inspiration is coming to you, as is a new connection to nature. Yeah, blackbird is the most common bird in my garden, in my environment, I would say. And yeah, we don't have bisons. We have, what is it called here? Wiesent. They look the same, but they are called differently. Wiesent. I don't know what's the English word for that. If there is, maybe it is bison. We say Wiesent. And they're not in Germany, but on the border of Poland, there are Wiesent, there are wild horses, the Przewalski horses, and also wolves, and what is the big cat? Lynx? The big, I don't know. So there's wildlife that we don't have in like the middle of Germany. It's on the border to the east, to Poland. Yes, thank you so much. This is perfect for me. I love animals. Oh, goats. Perspective, balance, support, sexual energy. Hello. This doesn't look like a goat to me, but hair, creative. Okay, stop. Yes. Wow. And there is one more. Here we have the root. And oh, incense. Okay. Astragalus root. Maybe I find out the German word for that later and I put it on the screen if there is a German word. Does it smell like something? I think it's the incense that I smell. I think it's the incense that I smell. But it's hard. Luna incense. Yes, it was this one. Oh, my husband is coming back. I hear the car from far away because it's so loud. Or? Okay. It doesn't matter. And now, let's read. I sat, staring into the landscape, feeling as if the world rested upon my shoulders. Attempting to block out the noise of inner anxiety and fear, I began to breathe intentionally enough for a moment of meditation to wash over me. Slowly, I could start to hear the chirping of nearby birds. Up above, a crow swooped through the clouds as if descending from the sanctuary of heaven. I exhaled darkness and inhaled the divine. As I looked down at my feet, a white feather gently appeared. This, a single feather, filled my soul with a bounty of comfort. Oh, now he's back. I so eagerly needed. And reassured me that my guides were nearby, watching with subtle care. In this unique and charming collection, we work with our animal guides, learning how to be open to their influences, seeking their signs, and calling upon their aid. May the ancient wisdom... Okay. Turn it off, please. Thank you. May the ancient wisdom of our animal guides find us when we need them most. The magical items in this box are as follows. And now I make oopsie. The magical trumpet, like disco. Astragalus root. Where are the stones? There we go. Tumbled picture jasper gray pouch. Okay, a jasper. A picture jasper. Okay, there's... I'm so sorry. Not that much of a picture, but it is a picture jasper. And the other one is tumbled crinoid fossil. Crinoid fossil. It's a fossil. And it's heavy. Oh, it's so heavy. The crinoid fossil is commonly used as a talisman of protection and immortality. Referred to as the sea lily, the crinoid fossil is the mineralized form of an aquatic organism. Okay. Which is originally attached itself to the sea floor, filtering plankton for its nourishment. This fossil promotes change and healthy transitions. Oh, that's nice. Nice. Luna incense sticks, hand-rolled open mystery mini beeswax bell candle. So my first, which is, oh, stop. There's more. I just checked. There's more. Huh? Is this an extra? No. There we have the herbal tea. Okay. Pau Darko. I never heard of that. It is native to South and Central America. Does it smell? Okay, smell the, I just smell the incense. 2 tea bags. It smells herbally. Nothing too strong. I will try that for sure. Okay. I strongly believe this is that Treesa sent me this, and I am speechless and thankful. And I just want to let you know, I am thankful, yes. You don't have to do that, girl. You don't have to do that, but I love it nevertheless. But oh my goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And I will put this in my grimoire. And this is, I mean, this is my theme. Animals, yes. And even though you said I don't need to send you something, I mean, sorry, I want to. I will create you something for sure. And you can do anything to stop that. Thank you so much, really. Thank you so much. And now I'm stopping this video because I just can say thank you.